These whiteboard animation videos are getting millions of views, and most creators still have no idea how easy they are to make. They're simple, incredibly engaging, and they keep viewers watching until the very end. That's exactly why financial, educational, history, and storytelling channels are growing so fast with this style of content. The crazy part? Most creators assume these videos take hours to create. They don't. In fact, this entire video was created in under 5 minutes using free AI tools. Watch this.
What if the voice in your head has never been you? What if every fear, every doubt, every judgment is just something passing through you, not something that is you? For most of life, we live as if every thought is a command, a king obeying every whisper from an invisible court inside his mind. But the moment you begin to notice them, something breaks. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor, wrote private notes to himself during war. In them, he reminded himself, "You have power over your mind." Not outside events. He wasn't escaping thoughts. He was observing them. Modern psychology now echoes this. Thoughts are not identity. They are events, like clouds moving across a sky that never moves. There is a moment many people experience quietly. Lying awake at night, watching anxiety repeat itself like a broken record, then suddenly realizing, I am the one noticing this. That space is everything. And in that space, the practice is simple. Don't fight the thought. Don't follow it. Just say, thinking, and return. Because you were never the storm. You were always the sky.
Now, if you want to create videos exactly like this, you are in right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to break down the complete step-by-step process using free AI tools, so you can create your own whiteboard animations, even if you're a complete beginner. And make sure you don't skip any part of this tutorial, because one small mistake can completely ruin the drawing animation effect. So, let's jump into the video. Step 1. Generate the script. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. Then go ahead and grab the prompt stock from the description. The link is right there below the video. Once you have it, copy the entire prompt and paste it into the chat box and hit enter. Now ChatGPT is going to ask you whether you want to generate a topic. So what you need to type is generate topic and hit enter. Now you'll see it gives you 20 different topics. What you want to do is just go through them and pick one that you like. And if none of them feel right to you, just ask ChatGPT to generate more. It'll keep giving you new ones. Or if you already have a topic in your head, you can just go with that too. I'm going to go with this one, the day you realize you are not your thoughts. I'll paste it in and hit enter. Now it's going to ask you how long you want your video to be. You can pick whatever length works for you. Since I'm just showing you the process here, I'm going to type 1 minute and hit enter. And there you go, your script is ready. Step 2. Generate the visual prompts. Alright, next thing you need to do is open the second Google Doc and copy the entire prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat box. But before you hit send, you need to make a couple of small changes to the prompt. Based on your video length, you need to add the number of scenes inside the prompt. This tells ChatGPT exactly how many scenes to generate. So I'll type 10 scenes here and hit enter. And now you can see it's converted the entire script into 10 scenes. Each scene comes with 3 things: a timestamp, a voiceover line, an animation prompt. And every single scene follows that exact same structure, clean, organized, and ready to use. Step 3. Creating visuals using Flow. Alright. First thing you need to do is head over to Google Flow and create a new project. Now click here, select videos, and then choose ingredients. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first animation prompt, paste it here, and hit enter. It'll take a little time, and then it'll generate your video clip. So now you can see our first clip has been animated successfully and the result looks amazing, exactly the way we wanted. Now click the download button and save the video to your device. And from here, all you need to do is repeat the exact same process for every single scene. Step 4. Generate the voiceover. Okay, now come back to ChatGPT and simply type, "Now, convert the script into a professional voiceover narration script." Then hit enter. ChatGPT will rewrite your script into a clean, professional voiceover format. For generating the voiceover, today we're using ElevenLabs. So just head over to ElevenLabs and switch to the text-to-speech section. Now what you need to do is find a good, realistic voice that matches your content. Since this is an educational video, I want something confident and approachable, so I'll go with a voice that has that confident tone. Then I'll copy the full script, paste it into ElevenLabs, and hit run. After a few seconds, our voiceover is ready. Click the download icon and save it to your device. Step 5. Editing. First, open your video editing software. I use CapCut, so I open that. Then I drop the voiceover in first. Then I upload all the scenes. Now, I pull up the visual plan we generated earlier and use it as my map. It tells me exactly which scene goes where. I start syncing the scenes to the voiceover by simply following the plan. Honestly, this part is very easy because all the thinking is already done. Since the scenes run a bit longer than the voiceover, I either trim them or speed them up slightly to fit. For transitions, I use black fade transitions. I am not adding transitions for every scene because that becomes a distraction for the viewer's eye. Then I add a fade in and fade out animation for the first and last clip. All right then, I've finished editing my video like that. Now I'm going to export the video. That is the full pipeline. If anything in this process was unclear, drop your question in the comments. I go through every single one. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next one.